Welcome back. Now, the free version of Cloudberry Labs makes it easy to create a download link. And in order to do that, what you'll do is you'll go to the file that you're going to be creating the download link for, and you'll want to hover to that file, and then you'll want to right-click that file. You're then going to see inside of Cloudberry Server that you're going to have a link here that says HCL settings. You want to click that link. What you're going to do here for all users is you're going to give them read access. So you're going to click this read button, you're going to click this read button, and then you're going to click OK. Once you do that, then you're going to go back to this link. You're going to right click it, and then you're going to click web URL. Then your URL will be deliverable using this link. Now, one of the things that Cloudberry Server gives you the ability to do is you can create a short URL, and you can also then create an expiry URL. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the URL to expire by a certain date. We're then going to click generate, and then this link that we give to our client will then expire at a certain date. We'll also mask the appearance of our real domain. So all you need to do then is copy to the clipboard, and you're then ready to deliver this link to your customer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.